Hi, I'm Dr. Dabbs. I'm here with my patient here today to treat trigger points in scar tissue. So scar tissue builds up in the body for many reasons. It could be a car accident, it could be from an injury, it could be just from sitting at a computer doing this, or it could be from surgery or some broken bone or whatever. So scar tissue is really a problem. When you have scar tissue, it lines up like this. So it's cross fiber, and that has a lot of nerve fibers and it tears easily. It causes pain. What we want to do is make it go back like a ratchet system like this. And now it can expand and contract without tearing or swelling up. So we go scar tissue to normal tissue. How do we do that? Well, we can you can use heavy pressure on it, but we have a device called a rapid release. So it's not like a massager. This thing goes 10 to 20,000 cycles a second. Most massagers do 500 to 1,000, and they help relax muscles. But this thing goes in deep. You can see waves coming off of it, and that basically breaks up that scar tissue I was talking about. So it's very hefty. It's very, very intense, but feels good at the same time. And if someone's got trigger points in their neck, we'll just put it on here, and it'll break down all the knots. If they have tennis elbow, we'll put it right on their elbow and break down that knot right there. So that's what this does. And you have different heads on it for different reasons. And this one here can go right into the lower back, because the lower back a lot of times has scar tissue in the multifidi muscles, tiny little muscles in your back. When you're leaning forward at a desk and you get that achy back, that's those muscles acting up. So we take this little guy and we poke it right into the one area that muscle is, and basically it just breaks it up. And we do it for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then it breaks it up in there, and people get up and their shoulder injury is better, their neck pain's gone, their knots are gone, and scar tissue is like regular tissue. I've even taken it for skin people who had surgery on their skin, big scar. We use it for the skin and it takes that scar away. Now there's one other therapy called extracorporeal shockwave therapy. Now this one is like the last one, but it goes deep. It uses shockwaves. This is very intense. So we have the machine right over here. What we do with this, it's really good for feet, plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, different knots in their neck and back. And what it does, it's pretty loud. It shoots a piston up and down in this device and makes sound waves that you can feel coming out. And those go deep into the body and they break up scar tissue. If you don't want to break up scar tissue, it's motion does it. This thing creates a lot of motion in there. This is Dr. Dabbs giving you more information. If you want to come into our office to learn more about this or get the treatment done, please don't hesitate to come by. We're Rehab Center of Maryland, located in Columbia, Maryland. And we'll be glad to do a free consult just to take a look and see what's going on and for you to talk to us.